Pero Mom, I'm still waiting for the right time. Mas malaga pa po ba para sa yung career ko kaysa sa ikakasaya ko?
Anong gusto mo? Do you expect that I will wake up after 3 years and see you doing less? Everyone can be crazy in love and be extremely happy, Clara. But not everyone can pick up scalpel and save a life.
You are now listening to DJ Liwaydi, where your stories find a way to reach everyone's ears up to their hearts filled with empathy. Ang sabi ng iba, ang ina ang masasandalan ng anak tuwing ito ay may problema. Pero paano kung ang isang ina ay bihira nitong makasama at unti-unti nang nakakalimot ng mga alaala? Ngayon, ay papakinggan natin ang kwento ni Doc Clara. Dear DJ Liwaydi, ako si Clara, Dr. Clara Mendez, ang nag-iisang anak ng isa sa mga pinakatanyag at pinakamagagaling na General Surgeon, si Dr. Elizabeth Mendez. Ever since, hindi na kami nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na makapag-bonding. Dahil sa trabaho nito, ang buong oras niya ay nailalaan niya rito. Unfortunately, my mom, or let's say, si Dr. Elizabeth, ay mayroong Alzheimer's disease. My father left me simula pa lang noong nag-divorce na sila ng mother ko. I experienced a lot of triumphs and downs during my internship. But in the middle of it, suddenly, my mother's memory went back. Although, this is just temporary. This is one of the things that occurs when a person has Alzheimer's. Kasalukuyang may inaasikasong pasyente si Clara nang biglang pumasok ang kaibigan niyang si Maui sa kwarto.
Clara, your mom's here. She was sent here by the nursing room dahil nahirapan na siya huminga. Clara, nakakaalala na ulit siya. She's lucid. Dr. George is checking upon her.
Nasaan siya?
Halika, sumunod ka sa akin.
Nurse, can you assist him for a minute? May kailangan lang akong gawin. Thank you.
Matapos ibili ni Clara ang kanyang pasyente sa nurse, dali-dali itong nagpunta sa kanyang ina.
Mom,
Ano ginagawa mo dito? Should be studying. Should pass your exams. I have laparoscopic surgery in an hour. Umalis ka na.
Mom, it's been 3 years. Intern na ako rito. This is where I'm doing my residency. Mom, you're diagnosed with Alzheimer's 3 years ago.
What? This is not the right time to joke around, Clara. Di yan magandang biro. Get out and go study. Umalis ka na.
Mom,
Clara slowly walked out of the room when suddenly Dr. Elizabeth is hardly breathing and will soon collapse.
Nurse? Nurse! Nurse!
Kami na po ang bahala kay Dr. Mendez. Sa ngayon po ay kinakailangan niyo muna lumabas. PH, Dr. George, and Dr. Andrew.
Maui is in charge of tests and labs of Dr. Eliza, since she is one of the interns of Dr. Andrew, the head of cardiothoracic. Dr. Elizabeth, it's nice meeting one of the greatest general surgeon. The test results have already been finished. Due to our cardio meeting, I'll let Dr. Maui steady to you. I'll come back and check you up again after an hour. Excuse me.
Thank you, Doc Andrew.
Habang nag-aayos ng monitor si Maui, namataan siya ni Dr. Elizabeth at kinamusta niya ito.
Ikaw yung kaibigan ni Clara, di ba?
Yes po. Sabay po kami nag-internship ni Clara.
What are you taking for a specialization?
I'm trying to take cardiothoracic po, ma'am.
Nice choice. So, tell me what's the result of my laboratory.
Sige po. Your Holter monitor shows you're having tachycardia every hour, ma'am. Your heart is beating faster than it should be po. It also shows coronary artery diseases. Dr. Andrew is planning to have a surgery.
Bakit kinakailangan pa ng surgery? Kaya naman to ng gamot. At kung kailangan man, still, hindi pa rin ako magpapa-surgery.
Hindi ko alam ang mararamdaman ko nung narinig ko ang usapan nila, DJ. Pero sa mga oras na iyon, ay pinili ko lamang manahimik at hindi banggitin kay Mama na narinig ko ang usapan nila ni Maui. At pumasok ako sa kwartong yun na parang walang nangyari. Dahil gusto ko na lamang punuin ng masasayang alaala ang mga oras na naaalala niya ako.
Clara,
Mom?
I know I have never been there by your side. May mga pagkakataon rin na nagmumukhang hindi natin kilalang isa't isa. Gusto pa kitang makilala. Share something about yourself, Clara.
I pursued medicine po at masaya po ako. I'm also happy with this man.
Alam pa ng lalaki yan how demanding your life can be?
He's a surgeon, Mom.
What are you trying to take for your specialization?
Hindi ko pa rin po alam. I'm still waiting for a sign.
A sign? Si Maui nga nakapag-decide na sa specialization niya. Ang pagkakakilala ko kay Clara, sa anak ko, hindi na siya naghihintay ng sign. She will do things under uncertainty with bravery because she knows what she wants. Is that how that man made you? I raised you to be more than great. Anak kita, Clara. You're Elizabeth Mendez's daughter. With the career you chose, if you want to be extraordinary, waiting is not an option.
Pero Mom, I'm still waiting for the right time. Mas malaga pa po ba para sa yung career ko kaysa sa ikakasaya ko?
Anong gusto mo? Do you expect that I will wake up after 3 years and see you doing less? Everyone can be crazy in love and be extremely happy, Clara. But not everyone can pick up scalpel and save a life.
Mom, minsan po na nga lang ako maaalala tas ganito pa yung magiging usapan natin.
It will not lead to this if you just focus on building yourself for the medical career and not exploring into something else. I don't want to hear anything. Get out!
Umiyak na umalis si Clara at nagtungo sa kanyang mga kaibigan.
Anong nangyari, Clara?
My mother, hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. I want us to bond more and it's just seem like I can't. Lagi ko na lang siya na-disappoint.
Just know, Clara, we are so proud of you. Nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo.
Habang dinadamayan ng magkakaibigan si Clara, hindi rin napigilan ni Maui na maglabas ng kanyang saloobin na patagal niya nang binibitbit.
Guys, I don't want to add any burden pa on what are we feeling right now. But I've been wanting to tell you all this. Di na ako masaya sa ginagawa ko. Gusto ko na rin to tigil. This is not the path that I've ever wanted. It's just that my family. I'm planning to pack my things today and go home to tell them.
You know how mad they could go.
Yes, Austin. I'm aware. At inihanda ko na sarili ko dyan.
Lingid sa kaalaman ni Maui na pag-uwi niya ay matinding galit ng kanyang ina ang kanyang haharapin.
Nag-resign ka? What do you think the people will say? That we raised you so weak? That you did not survive the internship? Are you even thinking?
Yan lang ba iniisip mo, ma'am? What do people think? Paano naman ako? Yung nararamdaman ko. Hindi ko nga maramdaman yung saya tuwing papasok sa ospital na yan. I can't even remember how many times I would have to tap my back so I can keep going with something I was told to do.
I'm doing this for your future.
For my future? Then for once, Mom, let me choose what I think will be best for my future.
You really look so high of yourself, don't you? Aminin mo man o hindi, pero wala ka sa posisyon mo ngayon kung wala kami.
How about you, Mom? Kailan mo aaminin na because of your expectations, you're putting your son in a box?
Maui, that boy.
I'm sorry I'm late for dinner. Pero nasan si Maui? Ngayon ang uwi niya, right?
He quit. He wants to pursue another career. I can't believe he can even do it.
What's wrong with that? It's very admiring na alam niya kung anong gusto niya sa hindi. You don't need to push him into a career he doesn't like. He's been an obedient son. It won't cost us nothing at all in letting him decide on his own. At ikaw dapat yung naunang maniwala at sumuporta doon. Go, apologize to him.
Sa kabilang banda naman, nagpunta ulit si Clara sa kwarto ng kanyang ina upang magkwento rito ng nangyari sa kanyang araw. Ngunit imbis na masayang ngiti, nakakunot na noon ng ina ang sumalubong sa kanya.
Ikaw na naman?
You know what, Mom? Ikaw yung dahilan kung bakit di ako makausap para sa gusto ko kasi iniisip kita eh. Tapos marinig ko lang usapan ninyo ni Maui na hindi ka magpapa-surgery. Don't you wanna live longer? Did you ever think about me?
Gusto kong sabihin sa kanya noon lahat ng hinanakit ko sa kanya, DJ. Ngunit hindi ko nagawa dahil bigla na lamang nagbago ang ekspresyon ng mukha niya na tila ba hindi makahinga.
Nurse? Nurse? Nurse?
Looks like SVT. I'll page Dr. George. Dr. George, Dr. George, emergency.
Carotid massage.
Carotid massage. Terminate some supraventricular tachycardia.
I'm sorry, my Clara. I'll do the surgery. For you. For us.
Home. This is supposed to be the place where we don't need to doubt or show our truest selves. Because it is already there. Existing. DJ, sa pagtatapos ng aking kwento, nais kong sabihin na taas noo, isang kagitingan ang pagtataya.